In primetime news tonight, 20-year-old male charged for East Portland MP's murder. No end in sight. 3 murdered as bloodletting continues in Clarendon. And water crisis. St. Andrew's School faces closure.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the financial week, and Milton Walker is here with a preview.
Yes, Janella, the Auditor General concerned about losses at the JUTC and the risk those losses could pose to the country's finances. We'll have that story in the financial week.
And from business, we go to sports, and Jordan is at the sports desk. Jordan, what do you have for us?
Yes, Herman. Well, the Reggae Girls, they got their World Cup qualifying campaign. Well, they're already through to the World Cup, of course, but their World Cup tune-up off to a strong start with a 1-0 win over Chile. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Friday.
Okay.
Thank you. Exciting. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we are asking, what are your thoughts on calls for a state of emergency or zone of special operations to be declared in Clarendon?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.